In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We're going to keep this simple and practical. You'll find Notion using Google, log in securely, create a brand new page, and personalize it with an icon so it's easy to spot later. Along the way, I'll share quick tips to make each step smoother. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. In the results, look for the official site at notion.com. Before you click, double-check the URL and the padlock in your browser to make sure you're on the legitimate site. This is a small step that helps you avoid phishing pages and ensures your workspace data stays safe. If you find yourself using Notion often, consider bookmarking the home page so you can skip the search next time. Once you're on the Notion homepage, click Login. Choose the sign-in method you normally use: email, Google, Apple, or single sign-on through your organization. Complete any verification prompts, and you'll land in your Notion dashboard. If you belong to more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one by checking the workspace switcher. It's usually visible in the sidebar. A quick glance here prevents you from creating content in the wrong place. With your workspace open, it's time to create your page. Click New Page. You'll see a fresh, blank canvas. Give your page a clear title so it's easy to find later. If you already know what this page is for, like meeting notes, a task tracker, or a knowledge base, use keywords in the title that your team will recognize. Inside the page, remember that you can type a / to discover Notion's building blocks, such as headings, to-dos, toggles, and databases. You don't have to set everything up now. The main goal is simply to create the page. To make your page stand out visually, click Add Icon near the title area. You can pick from a wide set of emojis, search by keyword, or upload a custom image if your workspace allows it. Choose an icon that communicates the page's purpose at a glance. Consistent visuals help you and your teammates scan the sidebar quickly. If your team uses a style guide, match colors or themes for a cohesive look. That's it. You searched for Notion, logged in securely, created a new page, and added an icon to make it recognizable. Keep building your content from here. And if you ever need help, Notion's support resources and help center are great places to get answers fast.